Hey everyone, welcome to Stylish Arts and Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple mandala artwork which will look attractive as well as 3D. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Along with it, please click the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we upload any of the new videos. So now without wasting any moment, let's get into the video. नाउ यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग कि ये बॉक्स कौन सा बॉक्स है जहाँ पे मैं सब पेन्स अपने रखती हूँ एंड पेंसिल्स भी शेडिंग के. सो इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक mandala with the black pens which are micron pens. If you don't have micron pen or the fine liners, you can even use black gel pen as alternative, because initially when I don't used to have these pens, I used to draw the mandalas from the black gel pen. Here I have already drawn the outline of mandala. Here I am using black sketch pen to fill up the blank spaces, and you can even use markers for this. I hope you like the video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below and let me know your views about this. Keep supporting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.